I like that green. Trying to relax. Oh, it looks like the Quaker Oats guy. That's breezy. A dragonfly. I don't know if I can catch that on camera. I tell my kids that dragonflies are fairies in disguise. Sorry again about my voice. I switched the microphone around a little bit. Hopefully it helps, but sorry about my cringe. But if you can get used to that, I'm pretty sure an upgrade's going to sound much better. I'm just going to stay in this lane because I'm going to end up merging. I'm going down that hill again. This time by myself. No destination. Oh, slow people keep right, I guess. I slow. Putting along, putting along, putting along. And there's nobody behind me, so that's cool. Oh, genius. It's a Prius. Okay. There's Washington over there across the river. Oh my gosh, that was so fun. Helicopter, helicopter over our heads. The dude yelled at me. Or it's music. I couldn't tell. It was all a blur. Sushi Ninja. Anybody been there? Sushi sounds good. Oh, Fish Forever Aquatics. I miss having fish aquariums. Guppies are easy to breed. They're fun. You can get into some really fancy ones and they get expensive. But they're really easy. Too easy. We also bred cichlids. I call them chicklets. I almost got a beta to create that bubble nest. It was not a success, but it was kind of exciting. I love betas. Maybe someday when we have a bigger property or bigger house, I can get back into that. Shawn and I would love to have saltwater aquariums too. What's going on with this truck up here? What is happening? It's an interesting spot to park. Oh, he's coming, so maybe he was just waiting for traffic to pass him or something. I mean, I don't know. Everybody was going around him. Moving on. Heidi ho, let's go. Just zipping along. So pretty, this route. I know my routes seem to be repetitive, but I mean, I'm kind of limited right now. There are new places a buddy of mine is suggesting, and I ain't gonna lie, I'm scared. Well within my speed limit range, but I'm not a fan of cliffs, so I don't know. Right now I'm just in my comfort zone. I do try to change it up a little bit. Should I try to weave between the white lines? Wee do 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 do. I'm not doing very good. I'm missing a couple. It's kind of fun though. Wee. Yeah, there's a fishing spot over there. Ooh, I want that boulder in my yard. I like rocks. I don't know where I'm going. Just gonna go. Just documenting, riding around, see what my cameras capture, if I can make anything of it. People get so mad when I point out people running red lights and stuff. It's hilarious. That's why my comments are on. All it does is help my engagement. But I get it. Sociology or something. I'm a girl, so I get a lot of haters. Shawn's videos rarely get any hate because he's a bro. It's all good. I don't care. Thanks. You can only represent yourself at the end of the day. I could go down to cycle gear, but I want to wait until payday and or when Shawn could ride with me too. Geez, these trees are pretty. Oh, look, another moped rider. Hi, friend. Bye, friend. I just love this route. Goodness, so much has gone on in the past 6 months. All good. Zips. I need better gloves. Have that on my to-get list. New gloves. Again. Wondering if I should start a glove line or something. I don't know how to start that type of stuff. For long, skinny noodle fingers. And everything in between. For those that just can't find the right size. I don't know. Never been on this little stretch before. Oh, we got to go slow. It's a school zone. That's my speed limit. Yep, the speed bumps are still fun. I think I want to turn right here. Yeah. Whee. Okay. See, okay, I don't see anybody, so I'm going. Whee! Here we go. Yeah, I'm taking Stark. Just gonna avoid all the craters and the Grand Canyons. Red light. Green light. Well, maybe there's shenanigans on Stark Street that I can capture. Okay. Sir? Yeah, time to go. Beep, beep. Okay, now we have a pedestrian in the middle of the road. What is going on here? Okay. Okay, careful. Okay. I hope people are okay. You should really wear some high-vis gear or something, dude.
We love you, Portland chat.
The heck? Oh, okay. Got an admirer behind me. I don't plan on passing him either. I don't want to pass him. I hope people are okay, or whoever's in the back of that, maybe? I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna do the speed limit now. I hope you kids had a great day at school, doing all that learning. Oh, I like that green. It's pretty. Not a fan of the car though. But hey, it does look fun. Wonder if I'll see those kids that always does that hand signal to get me to try to rev, and all I can do is a meep meep. I miss those kids. That always made my day. Happened a couple times. Yeah, I can't pick up any hitchhikers, sorry. Oh, he just straight up ignored me, and he's on a scooter too. Okay, I still waved. Oh, that's nice. Well, that could have been sketch. I'm glad I'm paying attention. My brain has a way of thinking of scenarios. Anybody else relate to that? Birdie, 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 birdies. Birdie, 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 birdies. That lady was checking my bike out. Okay. Yeah, thank you. You're good.